What's going on, my peeps? Your boy Versatile is back with another video, and I'm shooting this semi-vlog style because I told you guys I was going to come back and do a HomeCourt app, basically tutorial. Back I got those hardens in that one video. Now, unfortunately, I won't be wearing them in this video because those are my indoor court shoes, and I'm gonna be doing this outside. So this is gonna also test whether or not this works outside, because it does emphasize having a three-point line. Now, the court I play on doesn't have a three-point line, so hopefully that doesn't mess up. But basically, the free version of the HomeCourt app allows you to do up to 1,000 shots per day or per month. Basic dribbling. And you get to review your highlights and whatnot of the video you shot of you shooting for your video. There's a HomeCourt Plus that allows you to get up to 3,000 shots and more advanced dribbling techniques and challenges. Then there's HomeCourt, and that one costs $4.99 a month or $39.99 a year. And then the HomeCourt Pro gives you even more shot analysis and analytics as to the angle, how fast you shoot, the arc of the shot. I think even how far, your vert as far as when you're jumping for your shot. It does all that for $7.99 a month. And then with those two, HomeCourt Plus and HomeCourt Pro, you do get a 2-week free trial to try it out. So what we're going to be doing is just a free version, so I can check it out myself and see if I even like it. I've went through the app. I've seen other people use it. It does seem very cool, very neat. The reason why I'm able to finally get out and test it is because it's fairly nice outside, seeing that it's been very cold. So it's about 60 degrees right now, 2 days in a row, mind you, in December. So I'm gonna go outside, I'm gonna set it up on tripod. You can also set it up on the ground, and then it gives you directions to do either one. And I put those directions up here, both for the tripod setup and for the ground setup. And bow, here it is. So you guys check that out real quick, and then when this goes away, we're gonna be on the court setting it up, and then you guys get to see how well I shoot, since I haven't played in a couple days anyway. So wait for it. So yes, we are out here now. I'm setting it up. As you guys can see, there's a court right here, and you see there's no three-point line, but we're still gonna give it a try anyway. Now, one thing it's going to ask you to do while you're setting it up is to position the hoop in this small square frame, so that way it can analyze where it's at on the court and give you accurate shooting, accurate recordings of your shooting. So that's what we're about to do right now, set it up. You can also do this with free throws as well. Free throws, dribbling, other challenges that they have. Right now, we're just gonna do it for the shootout. Maybe free throws, we'll see how long it takes. Shouldn't take that long to set up and put in place. So let me do that, and then you're gonna see the recording of me shooting, and then I'm gonna show you my results afterwards. So let's get to it. So as you guys can see, it records a percentage of your shots made out of attempted, and then when you actually go into your profile, it'll show you your highlights, your overall streak, your misses, and this is all in the basic mode. Now, in HomeCourt Pro, it actually shows you your arc. Woo! I'm winded. Shows you your arc, your vert, the angle of your shot, how fast is your release, all that kind of stuff to help better you and improve your shooting performance and your jump shot overall. So definitely a worthwhile app to check out if you guys haven't already. Those who play basketball are interested in getting into play basketball. I didn't warm up, so shooting 44%. It wasn't expected, but maybe I'll try to give it another go and fast forward through it and see what my overall shooting is then. I'm also a little winded and I didn't stretch, but you guys see. Shoot. Yeah, so let's try it again and see what happens this time. So as you guys saw, I went and tried the 2-week promo out for HomeCourt Pro. Just to give you guys a look at what does it mean by it analyzing your ability to shoot, you know, as far as the angle with your shoot, the angle of your legs, how high you jump. And as you saw, as I was going through some of those suggestions, tips when it came to your leg angle, your arc, your shooting angle, how high you jump off the ground, difference between the catch and shoot and off dribble, which shows I shoot better off the dribble than I do catch and shoot, interestingly enough. But it gives you all that, so you know. So if you take your jump shot seriously, you're learning how to shoot basketball. It gives you that opportunity to improve in different areas, and that way you can consistently improve and consistently get better in terms of your shooting and even your free throws. So that was a quick look. It's very tempting for me to keep it. $8 a month is kind of high, but that's not bad at the same time. Because I'm 50-50 on it. I'm definitely probably gonna use it for the 2 weeks I have, and then, you know, probably cancel. We'll see. The free is good too, because just being able to get shots off and seeing where I get hot at on the court. As you guys saw, as I was scrolling through different zones that I'm pretty good at and ones I need to improve in, of course. But that was just a good look at HomeCourt, both in its form of free and the highest tier. That way, whatever you're trying to do, you can consistently get better at and improve in. So, hope you guys appreciate it. This video. Your boy Versatile signing out. And until the next video, I would shoot, but I'm tired and I'm trying to end on a good note. You saw me finish strong. Wait for it.